Satya was the one who was managing earlier also.
Congratulations. Thank you. All the best.
When we had a pop-up, he is the one who was managing the edit. Satya knows the property well, knows the customers, provide everything well, so let him be there.
You will light the lamp. Yes, we will bring the light.
Hi.
We wanted to go towards the east.
Kind of love which Goa has given us, and I'm sure this store will go from stronger with every passing day.
Sure.
COVID protocols, we are trying to
Understandable.
Have a look.
मॅकच्या ह्याच्या बरं
Marathi I think better you take it from my son. He manages the he's my son Shamik, he manages the mall. He'll give you the bite.
50 टाकते बॅट मॉलाची याची मॅक्साची
मॉलाच्या कुठली काय
नाव सांग पहिले
माझे नाव शमिक काकुलो अँड आय एम करंटली लुकिंग आफ्टर द काकुलो मॉल टुडे काकुलो मॉल हॅज ओपनड अप इट्स मॅक्स आउटलेट यू गायज सगळ्यांकी खबर आसतलें मॅक्स हॅज बीन अवेलेबल इन गोवा फॉर क्वायट सम टायम नाव बट आतां तुमी पणजेकारांकी खंय भायर वचचें पडचें ना you can just come to your own mall, Kakulo Mall, and Max is there on the first floor and the second floor of Kakulo Mall. So I would request each and every one of you at the pre-Diwali, Parva Diwali asa, तुम्ही सगळी जाणां याद, whatever collection you want, it might be your festive collection or anything else which you want, धाकटी भुरग्याच्यान व्हडल्या पर्यंत Max has the collection for each and every category. So please come to Kakulo Mall and help Max build its reputation again. Thank you.
Because because again somebody else reviews and all that thing.
Unless a customer requests that we want to keep the packet, we don't do that. Feeder can be there.
You have a press briefing. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All the best. All the best. Yeah.